Now,
how to make that paper box.
you can
Don't need a square.
make a hot dog.
Fold it like a hot dog. Unfold.
Make
Fold
a
hamburger style. And fold these in to that line you made
with
on the hot dog.
Hotty doggy.
Okay.
Make a paper hat.
Like this. Then you take these these ones on the bottom, and fold them up. Wait. No. That's how you make a boat. Never mind. Like, open this part and fold it in like that.
So it makes pretty much another one.
And then you
Which is quite silly.
flip that other flap over, and you repeat. Hands are so shaky. So much sugar. Whipped cream. And you fold them in like this. Like this. Like how you had it and fold them in like that. Take this part, put it in like that. Like that. Fold it down.
Up.
And make it stay like right there. And repeat.
Over and over.
Repeat. Then you take it, open it up. And oh,
It's a box. Very
silly ghetto box.
ghetto.
Huh.